Hello everyone, Mari Graceberg here, your host for the Joint Venture Success Summit, and here with me is Kate Steinbacher. And I'm really excited because we have a topic that we're going to be discussing today. It will be something that is close, really helpful and dear to our hearts as coaches. So really excited about this. Watch, just stay put there. We're going to be digging more about this. But first off, Kate, welcome to the stage.
Thank you. Glad to be here.
I am excited really that you are here, and thank you for sharing your time and your expertise with us. This topic is really important. So what we're going to be talking about as we go on, it will be how to deliver that great experience or that wow experience to our customers using systems and processes. But before we go in there, love for you to share with us a little backstory about you. Love for you to compare with us. What was it like before and after you incorporated this joint venture marketing strategy to your mix, so that our audience can see for themselves what was the change, or how did it benefit your business as you build your business even now using joint venture strategy.
Yeah, joint ventures have made all the difference for us, I must say. Originally, we would work with individual schools, we would work with individuals, connect through Facebook and a lot of different methods. But what we've discovered with joint ventures is that it's like a party to me. You have fun, you compete with each other in a fun, professional way, and everybody wins. We win because our joint venture partners are amazing and they support us with their mailing list. They win because, of course, we share in the profits with them because they've been so kind to use their mailing list. And our audience and the JVE wins because they've vetted us, we've vetted them, and they know the product for their clients is amazing. So everybody wins, and we have fun,